How to use NinjaTrader on Mac. Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can use NinjaTrader on Mac, so let's dive in. NinjaTrader is primarily a Windows application, but Mac users can run it by using virtualization software like Parallels Desktop or VMware Fusion, or by using a remote desktop connection. This allows you to essentially run a Windows environment within your Mac, enabling you to use the NinjaTrader desktop app. So here's how to do that. Step 1. Download and install Parallels. Visit Parallels website. Go to parallels.com and download the application. Install Parallels. Follow installation prompts to prepare your Mac for a Windows 11 virtual environment. Step 2. Install Windows 11 in Parallels. Set up Windows. After installing Parallels, follow the setup instructions to install Windows 11. This enables NinjaTrader to operate in a compatible Windows environment on macOS. Step 3. Download and install NinjaTrader. Access NinjaTrader website. Download NinjaTrader from ninjatrader.com. Complete installation. Install NinjaTrader on your Windows 11 setup in Parallels. Step 4. Configure Parallels for NinjaTrader. Adjust Parallels settings. Open Parallels, select your virtual machine and click Configure. In Options, go to Sharing, uncheck Share Mac user folders with Windows to prevent file conflicts. Apply settings, click OK to save and run NinjaTrader on the virtual machine. That's it, and thanks. I will catch you all in the next video.